because one, I need 18s to line the car on and to dial in the suspension and stuff like that. Two, I just can't do these stock builds, especially 17s. Like 17s on an e36 is just not for me. Sometimes it does look cool, like if you have some like some super wide 17s, like some T37 looking wheels or something, and sometimes 3-piece wheels with a big lip, but usually if you have like a 17 by 11 or something like that with like some 305s, which is a very hard setup at 17 to get regardless, then it'll look cool because it'll look like race car-ish, but no. So we're gonna grab some 18s, some regular whatever wheels just to throw on the car, because to be quite frank, it's not gonna last. I'll go this way and see, but it's not gonna be on there too long, because you guys already know I'm either gonna get some T's or some 3-piece wheels, or both, eventually both regardless, but I just don't know which I'm gonna get first. But I do need some very wide 18s, no less than a 12. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna go do, grab some wheels, probably throw some tires on them depending on how bad it is. I was told that the tires on them are to the wire, so I'm probably just gonna have to change them today. But I want to get the wheels on the car, air the car out on 18s, and yeah, I also do have to put all the new suspension stuff on, so I'm gonna see if I could get that done Monday. Yeah, I would want to do it today. No, I'm just not gonna bother. But because yeah, I'm still waiting for the Vader Solutions kit to come in so I can just drop the car off at the shop. But yeah, hopefully that comes. If not today, then Monday. I drop the car off to get the suspension stuff put on Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, I do the 6-speed swap. Well, start the 6-speed swap, like have John drop it off to John. But yeah, that's the plan. But it's been taking so long. Like, I wanted the car to already have been 6-speed swap, because I did order the kit on the 3rd. I was told it was going to take 5 to 10 business days to have the thing sent out, because it's not really anything crazy. So I was like, all right, cool. That means by around this time, the car should be basically getting wrapped up. But that's not the case. It's been almost a month. But I was told that it's sent out, so hopefully I was told the truth, but I still don't have a tracking number. Anyhow, regardless, I'm going to put out positive energy into the world and hope that it got sent out so I can drop my car off next week and we could start 6-speed swap. Because again, if we do need any other parts, like any of the little niggly bits, then I'll have to order them, and that'll slow up the process, which is why I want to get this stuff in, because there's some events that I want to go to, and literally the day that we get the 6-speed swap like in and dialed in, I'm ordering the stuff to boost the car. Like, that's just how it goes, boom bang, just like that. So yeah, let me get to where I'm going, and then I'll show you guys what else we do for the day. Okay, so these are the wheels. Some nice BBS LM reps. Just gotta change 2 of the front tires, fill them on the car, and then yeah, that'll be that. And I was only like, without traffic, 20 minutes away from my house. Whew, my asthma's getting me. Forgot to drink my elderberry syrup this morning. Whew, free game. Anybody who has asthma or any type of respiratory stuff, elderberry syrup, I'll drop some links below. I'll even make a video on how to make it and how to drink it and everything like that. Whew, yeah. Like, literally, it feels like you take like one of the rescue inhalers, but it works like instantly and it lasts for hours, like all day. So you drink it a couple times a day, boom. Whew, you're great. But yeah, for people with asthma, you guys know the struggle of not being able to breathe. So yeah, let me get back to you guys when I get home. So yeah, the tires on them are 225/40, and I'm going down to a 215/35. So it'll be a teeny tiny bit of a stretch, but I'm gonna need it since it's in the front. So yeah, so the stretch is very, very minimal. I hope I don't have to roll the fenders, but I think I should be good. If I do, we're just gonna do it the getaway and fucking what do you call it? baseball bat, metal pipe, whatever. But that should be good. Boom. So here's the car right now. It's already jacked up. We're about to just bang those wheels off. I mean these wheels off. Throw these wheels on, and then stop by my dad's house. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. So yeah, let's get into it. Blue face, baby. Blue face, baby. Blue face, baby. Blue face, baby. Alright, so we're about to test airing it out. So, those are straight. So, seems good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's so much better. Oh my god, that looks crazy. I really like that. And I'm tucking all around. So that's exactly what I want. In the front, you may be able to go down a little more. I'm not even sure, but I'm tucking rim on here out. So, oh my god. Oh. Yeah, this side is crazy. Jesus Christ. All right, let me show you guys this side, because I guess the ground is uneven. So, oh my god, That is, hold on, wait. Torotted. Papa Jesus is something got crazy, you know? Oh, that, oh man, I like that. That, yeah, that's it. And again, tucking all around, stock fender, no roll, no nothing. This thing looks stupid aggressive. Oh yes. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it stock body for a little while. This is a look I could get used to. Need to throw some air in that tire right there, but man, that is a good look. I like that.